Squarespace Staples, the series where we go through all the basics of using your Squarespace website. Today, we're talking about creating a drop-down accordion section in Squarespace. So an example would be something like an FAQ section or something like that where you want it to, fold and unfold. Yeah, Okay, so first you're going to go to whatever page that you want your drop-down to be on. I want mine to be on my services page. You're going to click edit. And then the accordion section is just a block. So we're going to say add block, but I actually want to make a little space here and just put a blank section. You don't have to do this on your site, but just because this page is kind of full. So I'm going to say add block and then go to accordion, and look, it popped right up. Okay, so after that, we're going to click on this pencil and start editing our accordion items. So when you click on this one, it's got a title and then a description. So the title is what's going to show here. And then the description is like when you open it and it drops down, right? So I'm going to say, and then, okay. And then you can play around with this a little bit, the text, if you want to add a link, etc., etc., just like the rest of your Squarespace site. And then we're going to fill this one in. And one more. Okay, now you can continue adding as many as you want. You can also rearrange them if you want them to be in a different order. And you can also come in here. And if you want to get rid of it, this is where you would delete. Okay. So once you're happy with that, of course, you can play around with how this looks by editing your section and going over to colors, etc., etc. You can change the size of this, drag it around to where you want it to be. You get the idea. Okay, now once you're all done, of course, you'll want to hit save. It's very important to save. And that's it. Okay, now go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.